Today, I'll be walking you through how you can actually start up your music gospel channel here on social media. You can use it for TikTok, you can use it for YouTube, you can use it for Facebook and anyone. And these videos will be monetized. I'll be walking you through step-by-step process on how to generate music like this.
Fortress in the storm, your love is what keeps me warm. In your presence, I am free. In your presence, I am.
Guys, today I'll be teaching you how to do a full gospel music video with AI. Now, my name is Fokobuchi Coach. If you're new here, do me well to subscribe if this is your vibe, to learn on how to use AI tools, how to generate videos, and how to start up new channels with AI to get monetized and not demonetized. So yeah, guys, let's go. Let me teach you how to do this. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Like I said, we'll be using AI tools to go through all this. And I'll be walking you through the step-by-step from prompting to getting the videos, to getting the music, and making the character lip-sync this music with passion and emotion. You all know I'm the best. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and don't forget to comment in the comment section the next AI tool you want me to review for you, and make sure to subscribe. Let's go, people. Okay, so first thing first, what you do is you open your Google Gemini. So I'll go to Google Gemini and open. Once you get to Google Gemini, I'll paste this prompt. Okay, and I said, give me music lyrics of a gospel song, make it emotional and worship mode. Okay, make it short for 30 seconds. Why I take 30 seconds? Because this is a teaching video. Now you can say make it long for 30 minutes, 1 hour, depending on what you want, right? And then I'll click here on generate. Okay, and then we wait for Google Gemini to actually give us this music. Now you have other tools that you can generate your music from, like Suno and all the other ones, but Google Gemini can actually generate for you for free. That's why I brought you here. So today I'll be teaching the free version, which is the Google Gemini version for free, and later I'll now teach for those who want to upgrade. But yes, again, you can use this music without any copyright. Okay, without any copyright. So yeah, let's wait for the music to generate. Okay, so at this point, the music is ready. What I'll need to do is let's just listen.
Ooh, yes, Lord. When the shadows.
All right, music is ready. And if you don't like this music, you can regenerate. Okay, now the next thing that you need to do is to click on save this music. Okay, so here it says save only track, save with album. So you can save only track, which is MP3. It will go directly to your file. Okay, you click, you see that downloading, so you save it to your file. That's in the Forest Storm. Save that. Okay, and again, you can save it to just the MP3, like the album, for those who want to save. So video downloaded. Now the next thing that you need to do is to actually generate an artist. Okay, so at this point, I want to actually create my own artist. Okay, so here I'll paste this prompt. This is just a detailed prompt of a person, a lady. All right, so I'll put this in the description box as well if this is something you want to use, and you can always go through this prompt and change it to whatever you want to change. You see, you can edit what you want to edit. It is good for you. You can do whatever you want to do. Okay, seated on a bench, on a minimal bench. But here, what I'll actually say is standing. So instead of sitting, I can change that to standing. This is what you need to do. If you take prompt from somebody, please try as much as possible to always edit your prompt. Okay, so here I said standing. Okay, in a studio room. So I'll be using studio room. All right. Yeah, so we have that. You can say standing in a studio room, or you can as well use like anything that you want to use. Image size at 9.16, and then you click on generate. Okay, yep. So I already pasted my prompt, my lady prompt, and I click on generate because I want to get this artist. All right, now after you get your artist, all you need to do is just animate this artist on how you want them to do. So let's wait for our image to generate. So here our image is ready. Okay, so this is the image. My image is perfectly ready, and you can click on save. Now there's one thing with gospel music. I always like it, like if you want your music to be lively, do not choose like a studio background. Choose the street, choose on a yacht, choose different things that you can actually choose. It makes it more better. Makes it more better for your music. So but this, for teaching video, I actually choose this one, but again I will regenerate this image and use something better. But this is just to show you how to get your image done. All right, now I've gotten this image done. The next thing we need to do now is actually make this image to sing. okay, because we already have our music. So let's all right, guys, so I actually changed the look of my image because I wanted it to look, stylish and artist look like. I don't know how to say that. Okay, so yeah, save your video. So once you save I've already saved my image, sorry. Once I save my image, the next thing I need to do is just to animate this image. Now you can use any video tool of your choice, anyone. There is any video of your choice, okay? There's Halo AI, there's Grok, just animate the image, that's all, okay? So I'll just open Grok and animate this image. I click on imagine and I just want to animate this image, nothing more, okay? So here I'll say make character sing. I'll just just make character sing. This does not matter because we'll fix it later. So make character move hands around like singing and emotional, okay? Emotional in a worship mode. So basically this is what I want, and just dance a little. So you guys, yeah, now this is another ball game for you, depending on what you want in your videos, because like I always tell you guys, I'll only show you what I want you to do, but you can always add in what you want to add to make it better. Now I'll click here on generate. Mind you, even if this character sings or does whatever, it doesn't really matter because we'll fix it where we are making our video, our music, our lip sync. So
Lord, I lift my hands to you. And you
all right, so I have saved my video. Now, like I said, that singing does not really matter because we needed just the video. Now, the next thing we need to go to is Dream Face. I'll open my Dream Face. And once you get to Dream Face, here you see the avatar. You see talk and sing. You see image to video. You see image generation. Okay. Now, I'll be choosing the talk and sing. Now, once you click on the talk and sing, guys, on this tool, those of you who used to say, oh, I don't know what to do and blah, blah, blah. By the side, there is my code. Click on this code. Download this app before you register. They'll ask you to use a code. Use my code, okay? The code by the side. So once you use this code, you get it good. Now here, what I need to do is I'll click on the plus button here. And I'll go to my gallery and take that video that we just generated from Grok. All right?
Lord, I lift my hands to you.
All right. So that is the video. Forget about the song that came with the video.
Lord, I lift.
Now, the next thing that I need to do is you want to say or sing. Where it says you want to say or sing, choose voice, animate effect, okay? Now, we'll choose where it says want to sing or see, because that's what we actually need. Like I told you again, this is huge. Now, a lot of you do not understand because a lot of people make money with this. All right, and not everybody will walk you through this method for a step-by-step. Now I'll click here on singing, and then once you get here, what you need to do is to click on import. Okay, import. When you click on import, it will take you to your gallery or to your videos. Now here I click on import. It asks me to file or to album. Let's say I choose file. All right, and remember that is the song we created. Now I'll click on that song. And automatically, this is our song here. Let's listen to it first, okay? You see the 30 seconds all add in, which means you can actually generate a lot of your videos without stress, okay? And here they say, adjust the audio to be under 600 seconds. Do you know what that means? Do you know how long that is? Yes. All right.
Ooh, yes, Lord. When the shadows get...
All right. So that is actually our song. Once you confirm your song and everything works perfectly with your song, now the next thing that you need to do is to click on confirm. Click on confirm.
My hands to you. In you, your sense.
Now, once you click on confirm, you come here. This is your character. And like I told you, if this character is not good for you and you don't want it, click on plus and you add a new character. Okay. But right here, we are good. So we click on animate, right? Click on animate. And once you click on animate, you wait for your character to animate. Guys, this is something a lot of people will tell you, do me this, do me that, but today I am telling you that this is super for you to use, and it's easy to work with. Yes, it's easy to work with, and by the site you get my code. So music is ready.
When the shadows gather near and my heart is...
So you see the music is actually ready, and I like how it moves from one section to the other. See, so you don't need a lot of videos, but if you want, you can take different images and use it. And if you want, you can use the same image, and it's perfect. The lip sync is good. Let's see.
Yes, Lord. When the shadows gather near.
So you see, the music that was there that we generated with is all gone. Now it's a new one. So all you need to do is just click here. You see, successfully save, and you're good to go. Your channel is ready. You can start posting your videos. So bye guys. Comment in the comment section the next AI tool you want me to review for you, or the next AI kind of video you want me to create for you. And do not forget to subscribe. Thank you, and bye-bye.